In the corridor mass haul analysis, we can also create a barrier. So if we apply a barrier to our corridor mass haul analysis, the corridor basically defines an area in which earthen material cannot be moved. So barriers act as a location that the materials cannot pass. They represent a force balance point for all hauled materials in both directions, essentially acting as a local start and finish point where material must be managed through the use of borrow or waste or import or export locations to create a balance. Barriers are placed where the corridor may cross existing waterways, where the material cannot cross the haul behind beyond an area until a bridge or a structure is put into place. So we could maybe put in like a bridge, and we can choose the analysis in a station. So we know that maybe there's a bridge that's going to be built here, and so therefore we can tell it whether this material can or cannot circumvent. So if we say no, then we've applied a barrier at that location, and it happens to be here where the bridge is going to be built.